Also, go and check out my channel. Yeah. So now the video will end. Peace out. Love you. Not really. Don't know why I said that. Bye guys.
This is Gaston Network. We have interrupted our main programming to bring you the following major news announcement. It has been confirmed today that the explosion has occurred in Monte Carlo. It was confirmed that 400,000 people were affected by that dangerous explosion. It has mostly happened earlier that it had exploded that time it really happened. The building of Los 7 Studios is also destroyed as well. Everyone is affected by this tragedy. The buildings would now take years to get it rebuilt again. It was also confirmed by the Met Police that it was also happened earlier this afternoon. We are sorry for the cooperation during these unbelievable times. But the schedule tonight would now be changed. The advertisements are suspended. Now here's the news.